Hi, I'm Rita Wilkins, also known as the Downsizing Designer. Welcome back to my weekly 5 in 5 series, where I share 5 quick tips in just 5 minutes on decluttering, simple living, and also minimalism. So let's face it, we've all shoved stuff into a drawer or into a closet, especially when the doorbell rings, because we all have stuff, and when life gets busy, clutter just creeps in. But what if your house could look neat and organized even on the busiest of days without anything getting tossed from your house? And that's where smart minimalist storage comes in. Today I'm going to show you 5 ways to use storage to create the appearance of calm while giving everything a purposeful place behind the scenes. So my first tip today is contain the visual clutter. So even the necessary items can look messy when left out in the open. So the remote, the cords, the keys, the toys, the phone. So if you try this, just use baskets, bins, or trays to group everything, the like items together. So when things are corralled like that, you look instantly more intentional, even if nothing actually has left the house. My second tip is choose closed storage for the high traffic areas. So as a designer for almost 40 years, I certainly have used this method. The challenge there is open shelves and bookcases can quickly become clutter magnets, especially in the busy places like family rooms and entryways. So if you use closets or furniture with doors or drawers like credenzas or armoires, the doors and the drawers will help to hide some of the things. It not only keeps the mess neatly tucked away, but it's readily accessible when you need it. And my third tip is store by activity, not by the object. So the challenge here is clutter often piles up because items are stored too far away from where they're actually used. So store things by task that they support. So, for instance, tea bags near a tea kettle, chargers in a drawer near the sofa, or craft supplies in one portable bin. So this reduces, I should say, the scattering, and it makes cleanup almost effortless. And my fourth tip today is to use vertical space to help organize your room. So flat surfaces really get crowded quickly, and they make your space look very cluttered. So if you go up with your storage, go vertical, use wall-mounted shelves, over-the-door organizers, or floor-to-ceiling cabinets and shelving. This adds a tremendous amount of storage and actually makes your room look bigger and taller. And my last tip today is to create a hidden catch-all for life's messes, and we all have those. So let's face it, some days are just messy. And so papers, mail, odds and end items, they pile up just much too quickly. So designate one grace space. It's a drawer, it's a bin, a cabinet, where things can be stored temporarily. This keeps the clutter out of sight, out of mind, but only temporarily. This trick is to empty it completely once a week. So it helps to keep the surfaces clear while giving yourself permission to be human. So you don't have to be perfectly decluttered to feel peace at home. With the right storage systems and the organization, you can enjoy the visual calm and the functional flow, even on your busiest days. So, and if you'd like help, tackling clutter one room at a time, you might want to grab my room-by-room checklist workbook. It's just $1.99, and it's filled with simple strategies to create more order in every single corner of your home. And the link is in the description below. So if today's tips have helped you, please like, subscribe to my channel to help us keep growing, and share with someone who you think might need a little extra inspiration. So I'll see you next week, and until then, just keep it simple and keep it uncluttered.